Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock profile on your Amazon Prime Video. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Amazon offers a feature to let users lock their personal Prime Video profile with a PIN. This handy engagement gives them an extra layer of security and ensures that only they can access the profile. On my previous video, I've shown you how to lock your profile on your Amazon Prime Video, but now I will show you how to unlock it. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Amazon Prime Video. You can open it on your mobile apps or you can open the website on your PC or laptop. After that, you can just click on your profile in here and you'll find there is a profile section. You can choose on manage profile. From here, I have one profile that locked with pinned and I want to unlock it. You can just click on edit profile, choose on edit, like the pencil icon in here. You can enter the pin, click on done. After that, you can choose on profile pin and locks. You can click on manage. To unlock your profile, to disable the pin, you can just click on the toggle in here. After that, you can just choose on save. So now you have unlocked your profile on your Amazon Prime Video account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to unlock your profile on Amazon Prime Video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!